Hello everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to share with you the recipe for this ants climbing a tree. It is actually a stir-fry vermicelli. Some people also call vermicelli as glass noodles. Now we are going through the ingredients. I use quarter cauliflower. Wash the cauliflower under tap water, then cut it into small pieces and put it into the blender. Blend the cauliflower into tiny pieces to make it look like minced meat. Then put the cauliflower into a bowl. Put 1 teaspoon salt into the cauliflower. Mix them well and leave it there. Then we can go and prepare other ingredients. The water in the cauliflower will be released after putting the salt in. We just need to squeeze all the water out before cooking. The next ingredient is a small piece of carrot. As you can see, I just use a little bit carrot and cut it into small cubes. Another ingredient is preserved turnip. I used a little bit. Preserved turnip creates freshness and crunchy taste for this dish. If you like it, you can put few more pieces. Cut the preserved turnip into small cubes as well. Some peas. Okay, now is the main ingredient, vermicelli. I used those individual small packs and I used 3 packs. Soak the vermicelli in boiled water. Then we go to prepare the last ingredient, mushroom. I used the fresh shiitake mushroom, but you can also use the dry shiitake mushroom. Cut the shiitake mushroom into small cubes. Now go back to the vermicelli, sieve the water out, then rinse under the tap water to cool down the vermicelli. Use a scissor to cut the vermicelli shorter. The length of the vermicelli should be around 8 to 9 cm. Finally, go back to the cauliflower. Put the cauliflower on a piece of cloth, then squeeze all the water out. Okay, let's start cooking now. Put 1.5 tablespoon oil in a wok or pan. Stir fry the mushroom first. Slightly stir fry the mushroom until you can smell the fragrance of the mushroom. Then we put the preserved turnip in. Stir fry for about 9 to 10 times. Then put the cauliflower in. After stir frying for about 2 minutes, put 2 teaspoons light soy sauce in. One teaspoon dark soy sauce and 2 tablespoons water. Mix all the ingredients. When the color becomes even, put the vermicelli in. Lastly, put the peas in. Now we need to mix all the ingredients with the vermicelli. Turn the heat to low when we start mixing. We need to slowly mix all the ingredients with vermicelli. It will take a little bit time to do it, so we need to turn the heat to low. If you see vermicelli start sticking on the wok, it means the vermicelli is too dry. Now you need to add a little bit water. Now you see me put more dark soy sauce in because I reckon the color is not dark enough. If you think the color is dark enough, you do not need to put more dark soy sauce. Okay, now I like the color and the ingredients are all mixed. Turn the heat back to high. Add half a teaspoon sesame oil in. Mix the sesame oil with the vermicelli. This dish is almost done. Now we do a final tasting. Add more salt if you need. Every time if we put extra seasoning, we need to mix it well with the vermicelli. Water evaporates when we leave the food on the heat. So now I put a little bit more water in so I can have time to mix the salt well with the vermicelli. Finally, put some dry chili flakes in. If you don't like spicy food, you can skip the chili flakes. Okay, now this dish is done. I hope you will like it. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.